The second mode of reproduction in single cell organism is called as fragmentation. और फ्रैगमेंटेशन समझने से पहले हम करते हैं एक एक्टिविटी. सो इस एक्टिविटी में हम लेंगे लेक और पॉन्ड का वाटर, और जो वाटर हम लेंगे वो डार्क ग्रीन होगा. सो दिस इज द पॉन्ड वाटर विच अपीयर्स डार्क ग्रीन. इट कंटेन्स फिलामेंटस स्ट्रक्चर्स. बट ये फिलामेंटस स्ट्रक्चर्स क्या हैं? चलो देखते हैं एक माइक्रोस्कोप में. पुट 1 or 2 filaments on a slide. Now put a drop of glycerine on these filaments and cover it with a cover slip. तो चलो देखते हैं माइक्रोस्कोप में क्या दिखता है. This is Spirogyra. Spirogyra is a genus of filamentous green algae. It is commonly found in freshwater environments such as ponds, lakes, or slow-moving streams. It has long thread-like filaments and it is composed of cylindrical cells that are arranged end to end. सभी cells में एक nucleus होता है. That's why these cells are called as uninucleate. Spirogyra में chloroplast भी present होता है. This is the chloroplast. Spirogyra breaks a filament apart into smaller fragments, each of which can grow into a new individual. Spirogyra के जो ये filaments है ये break होते हैं छोटे छोटे fragments में, और हर एक छोटा fragment भी एक new individual बनाता है. Isn't it amazing? And this is the semi-transparent cytoplasm surrounding the chloroplasts in Spirogyra. Spirogyra has this transparent and rigid cell wall. This cell wall provides structural support and protection to it. And this oval-shaped nucleus, which we have seen earlier, provides genetic material and regulates cellular activities. So fragmentation reproduction is a form of asexual reproduction when an organism breaks into fragments and each fragment develops into a new individual. Many organisms, including plants, fungi, and some animals, use fragmentation as a means of reproduction. Like Spirogyra, fungi, certain types of fungi such as bread mold or rhizopus reproduce through fragmentation. Bryophytes, mosses and liverworts, algae, even starfish also do fragmentation. They have the ability to regenerate lost body parts through fragmentation. If a starfish loses an arm, that arm has the potential to regenerate into a new starfish individual. Even the severed arm grows a new body section, including vital organs, and eventually develops into a complete starfish. So fragmentation reproduction allows organisms to reproduce asexually, quickly. Fragmentation quickly colonize new areas and regenerate lost body parts. तो क्या multicellular organisms में भी यही होता है? No, this is not true for all multicellular organisms. They cannot simply divide cell by cell. But why so? Because मल्टीसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स के पास एक सिंपल रैंडम सेल्स का ही कलेक्शन नहीं होता है. उनके पास ऑर्गेनाइज्ड टिश्यूज होते हैं और अलग अलग टिश्यूज अलग अलग काम के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं. सो मल्टीसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स नीड टू यूज मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स वेज ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन. A basic strategy used in multicellular organisms is that different cell types perform different specialized functions. The next mode of reproduction is regeneration.